Good morning.
Good morning. So we have some new visitors with us. We have Dahiana from France.
Hi.
And Destiny from Singapore. Oh no, it's Grace, sorry.
Destiny. That's my hooker name.
That's a hooker name, yeah. And today's plan is to do some sandboarding.
So we're on the way to find some sandboards, and then the plan is to go to Valle de la Muerte, something like that.
Valley?
Death Valley.
So according to someone, we should get some sandboards in here. There's the only one who speaks Spanish, so she has to do everything here.
I'm the lifesaver.
The savior of the broken, the beaten and the damned. Okay.
¿Solo necesitan tablas o necesitan botas también? ¿Cuántas necesitan?
Dos. Now the question remains, how are we going to transport this? Look at this, girls.
So what's the point of strapping that on the bike? I can take it, but you know I'm gonna like
Hit people. So there were 6,000 pesos for 3,000 pesos per port, I guess. Oh, great.
Is
it heavy?
Can we see? You look like
Let's go. We're wasting a lot of time here.
On my way. We made it into Valle de la Muerte, and it's 3,000 per person to enter, and I think we are ready to find the dunes.
Move that ass! Wow. Awesome.
So someone's having a big party here, and this is the place where you go sandboarding.
Yeah.
Because there are all these ants up on the hill ready to go down.
Looks quite steep, to be honest. I've never done anything like skiing or snowboarding, so I'm quite shitting my pants here.
And our two lovely flies are going first.
Yeah, they deserve it.
Yeah, they carried them all the way.
So, good luck to you guys. Good luck.
Good luck.
Good luck. Good luck.
I'm already not moving anyway. You can do it, Grace.
You can do it. Ain't no mountain high enough. There she comes. That's Dahiana. Dahiana is going for the aim. She's going down. She's steering with her hands. What is she doing? She's sand grabbing. We have a video of you. It didn't look fast, but it's quite steep, right?
Yeah, it's very steep.
I knew it! Why do you come straight at me?
This is not as nice as it looks. Sandboarding, you have to walk 10 minutes up and ride down half a minute.
Look at this view though.
Yeah, it's great.
Wow. Look at how far we up right now. Oh yeah, anticlimax.
My shoe is loose.
Come on. Yeah. She's making a sand angel.
Did I at least look good?
Honestly, I just said it. We just made such an epic intro, B-roll, and then the first 5 meters, not even, you just dropped down on your goddamn ass. And look at you. You just ruined the whole thing.
Did you see my sand angel though?
Yeah, I did. Nice. Took my breath away. That's great though. This time I went really fast, I think. In my perspective.
Yeah, your perspective,
Yeah.
right?
Fuck. Oh. Look at me.
Completely full of
It's
sand.
so cool.
It's good fun.
Yeah.
I agree.
Look at this. So oh shit, no stability. Ooh, there's still more coming. And now we are done. Thank you everyone for watching this one. We had a lot of fun. I hope you had a lot of fun seeing this, because I'm just happy. It's good. It's not fake happy, you know?
It's so much fun.
Yeah, it's great. Let's have a siesta now. Thank you for watching. See you
Have a
later.
beer.
Hey. Cheers, cheers. And now it's time to get chippy.